It looks like my face is growing. Look at this. Is this fungus? Today we're going to be trying out the Pacifica Beauty Pineapple Bubble. Hopefully if you're thinking about buying this product, this video will help you consider if this is the best product for you. So you know that we're just getting started out. Production value is going to go up from here. The content is going to get better from here. To make sure that you guys don't miss out on all of these exciting changes that are going to be coming, hit that subscribe button. Right next to the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Ding ding ding. As well, you can follow me on Twitter at BeGreenWithE. The last video that I made was for this Pacifica Beauty Pineapple Cleanse. I mentioned how I had to hydrate a little bit after washing with the Pineapple Quench Oil-Free Serum. I'll be providing a little bit more information about that in with this video today. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll link somewhere here. This Pineapple Bubbles Clarifying Bubble Mask promises to slay oil and dirt with pineapple and clay. I did a little bit of searching online before. Saw these crazy videos, looked like, I don't know, some stone, moss, fungus growing out of people's faces. We'll see if this one is as fun and exciting as all of those other ones are. Pacifica Beauty always has 100% vegan and cruelty-free products, which is what we look for here at Be Green with E. We love our animals and we love our environment. You're supposed to apply a thick layer to clean skin. We're gonna go ahead and wait about 10 to 20 minutes after applying it.
Playing pineapple lets you get in the mud while getting your skin clean at the same time, so you can go ahead and play dirty.
So funny. It does say to follow with moisturizer. I mentioned I had to use this Pineapple Quench Oil-Free Serum. I'm going to be using that today afterwards to moisturize. The pro tip with hyaluronic acid products, you want to create like a sandwich of moisture. What I mean by that is hyaluronic acid is like a sponge. If your skin itself is dry, then it's just going to be taking the moisture from the deeper layers of your skin to hydrate the surface. We don't want that. We want to add more moisture, not take away moisture from our skin. So it's like a little sandwich. Water, hyaluronic acid product, water again. Alright, let's get started. Oh, it's like concealer. See, and it really does look like mud. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And just a little bit more. I can already see and feel the bubbles starting to work. So far, it's just like a really thin foam, almost like a bubble bath on your face. Set the timer and we'll see how it looks after 10-20 minutes, okay? So, it feels like my face has eaten Pop Rocks. If my face had a mouth, that wasn't my mouth. Whew. It itches a little bit. It looks like my face is growing. Look at this. Is this fungus? It itches. It doesn't burn or anything, it just tingles. Lord, we still have 15 minutes. I look like a piece of coral. No, just kidding, it just looks like I'm growing fungus on my face. I guess that's attractive. I didn't have enough bubbling action on my face, so we did a quick reapply. This stuff is crazy. Look at my nose. How big it is. That's not how big my nose is. Look at that beat. Ah. This is where we're at now. Look at it. What is that? Honestly, it just looks like I got really bad sunburn. It looks like my skin is falling off. For Halloween, just put some of this on your face, walk out, and be one of the characters from The Hills Have Eyes. Alright, so 15 minutes in, and I think we are ready to take this off. It's definitely been an interesting experience. I've never actually had a face mask that was quite this fun. It doesn't want to come off. Still out. Finally. It did take a little bit of effort to rinse off there. Overall, wow. Okay, that was awesome. I'm going to also be using the Pineapple Quench Oil-Free Serum. Like I mentioned, you want to make sure that we put this on a damp surface. Really, you only need a small amount, just a little dab, just a little bit, and you're good to go. Wow, I'm radiant. My face is glowing and it is so soft. I'm in love with it. I woke up like this. Just kidding. It was Pacifica. Oh my goodness, guys. I was really not expecting that bubble mask to work the way that it did. You know, I thought maybe, you know, some of the reactions online would be exaggerating a little bit, but really that was probably the best face mask that I've ever used. It was fun, and I actually feel like my skin is a lot cleaner, and it gave me this amazing glow. I feel radiant and I feel clean. I definitely see all of the redness has gone away. I mean, I don't know if you guys could tell from earlier, my face was definitely a little inflamed down here. Especially over here, I have this new pimple forming. Gotta love those. The bubble mask aims to address your clogged pores and your blackheads. Not necessarily the blackheads on my nose. Those ones are super tough, and I can hardly ever find a product to work on my nose blackheads. However, this product did seem to minimize some of the blackheads that I get over on my cheeks. Any blackhead that's not on my face is a good blackhead. Initial reaction was that this product was phenomenal. I know just using it one time doesn't always give you an accurate depiction of how well the product does or doesn't work. I want to see if maybe I use it once or twice a week. I'll see if I can really get in and work on those stubborn nose blackheads and also the stubborn chin blackheads. Whenever I release my next video with the sheet mask review in it, I'll give you guys an update on how my face feels overall. I feel like a mermaid with my bubbly magic induced shining face. If y'all want to feel radiant and bubbly and fresh, to go out and try this yourself. Real quick before the video's over, I would love to get some feedback from you guys. So if you guys think that you're gonna go out and try this yourself, go ahead and leave a comment that says bubbles. Hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. You've got to hit subscribe first for the bell to show up. You'll be notified whenever I release the video for the Pacifica Beauty Pineapple Sheet Mask. That's all within the same line that we've been reviewing in these last couple of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great night. Bye guys!